District Governor, White District Governors, Part District Governors, dignitaries on and off the dais, and the beautiful lions and lion ladies of the Imphal, Manipur, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh. Very good morning to each and every one of you.
Good morning.
This is my second visit to Imphal. When Gajendra Singh ji was a district governor, and today he is a chairperson of this convention, I wish that every year he should be there, something, chairman or something, so he can keep calling me over here. This is a great honor for me, coming second time to Imphal in front of you, my dear friends. What a great honor, what a great discipline and time management what I have seen. The all respected singer, the way they came in, they stood, they sang, they went very nicely with the discipline. And the people says the small things create a discipline and perfectness. And the perfectness is not a small thing. इन्हीं छोटी छोटी बातों से ही perfection आता है. You want me to speak to you in English, Hindi or Manipuri? Friends, tell me like basically who's the biggest animal in jungle, in forest? Can somebody tell me? Who's the biggest animal in forest? Sorry, elephant, yeah, you're right. And who's the tallest one? Who the fastest one? But who's the king of the forest? So you all are the lions. So finally you are the king of the service and fellowship, and that's the reason we are here, my dear friends. The Lions Club International. Only 5 executive officers and 34 directors control the 210 countries. As you know that, our international president, first, second and third international vice president, immediate past president who will become a LCF chairperson, and to assist them 34 directors, and our now 8 constitutional areas, they are taking care of it. We comes under the ISAMI. India, Southeast Asia, now Africa is separated, and the Middle East. And out of that, we have now 11 multiples in our India, who controls the completely all over the India, our 28 states and United Territories. Under the multiple council chairperson, there is a district governor who is sitting over here today and presiding over this meeting. With the left and right, his first and second vice governor, cabinet, micro, RC, CHETC, and the club members and club officers. We are just coming here for 1 or 2 years to assist you, guide you, to serve you, and to sit again like all the respected party governors sitting in the first row. Seeing MP Agrawal sir from last so many years, like sitting in the first row after becoming a governor, wishing Lalit ji and requesting you all, as you know that this is the unanimous selection of your second vice governor and the first vice governor and second vice governor. My humble request, all of you tomorrow, as I am not here, or maybe today I think so, the election and voting, please give 100% affirmative vote to the first, second and the incoming governor. It will be my request to you all. So this will create a very positive vibration in your district. My dear friends, Lions Club International, such an organization, as you know that from last 2005 onwards, is standing number 1 in the world out of 79 organizations. It is a Jaycees, or it's a Rotaries, or it's a Lions, but the Lions we are standing number 1. Wearing this pin, very proud pin. We are the brand ambassador of the Lions Club International. Why we are gathering over here? Because of this conference. What this district conference is? The international convention by executive officers and board of directors and all over the world members they attend. And then the ISAMI forum. All ISAMI countries attend that forum, conferences. Then we have a multiple conventions at the multiple level. Then we are having the district conventions like this today what you are holding. Then the region conferences. Then we have a zone socials. Then we have a club meetings. We have a district conferences like this. So what my humble request, Today, you, all of you, kindly pay the full attention to this district action, resolutions, what meeting is happening, how the voting is happening, why we have been elected and selected as the leaders and coming over here. Leaders to lead in a positive way, with humbleness, with kindness, and carry the aim and objectives of the Lions Club International President, our international directors, as well as our district governor, what he has representing the Lions Club International. What you can do 100% if your 100% dedication is there towards the Lionism. Even last, I remember that I have conveyed to you that only the one thing God has given equally to us is time. 24 hours. To you also, to us also, to Mr. Modi also, and even to Ambani and Adani also. Only thing is which way, how we utilize this time management makes a difference to us, that we become from Chaiwala to Prime Minister, or from Hamal to Ambani, or like from small businessmen to Andhari. Today, if we are sitting on this dais, is elected and selected by you. We should never forget that being a leader, we should think that we are a bosses of yours. No, we are servant of yours. To assist you, guide you, and see the Lionism's aim and objective, how to follow it with the protocol, with the discipline, with the time management. And that's the reason we are here, my dear friends. After 1 year, again, we are going to be there. And this is the only year or 2 years what we are having to prove ourselves without any ego, without any jealousy, without any negative thoughts, if we have to create a better world that we Lions are over here like that. We are not tall, we are not big, we are not fastest, but still we are the king. And after wearing this pin, we have a responsibility towards our Samaj, our community, that what exactly they are expecting from us. My dear friends, we are everyday's hero. We, you. Why everyday's heroes? Because the 24/7/365 all over the world, you see wherever the day, night, evening, afternoon, Lions keep working. They keep doing a lot of service projects and all. Sometimes blood donation, sometimes medical camps, sometimes what it is, you know what kind of the service projects you people are doing it. People are looking to you very positively that this man is here with the Lion's pin, means like something is going to happen good with me. That kind of the thoughts people are having about you. So being a hero, you have to put 100% of yours. You are standing on the top of the hill, from where like when we are shouting, the voice come back to us as an echo. If you are saying, I love you, will come back to you, I love you. I hate you, I will come back to you, I hate you. Understand, wherever you are, if you are talking about somebody, negative things will come back to you. If you are talking something good, that will also come back to you. The difference, if something good you are talking, and he is hearing, coming back to you, he will be the best friend of yours. Your left and right hand of yours. But if you are talking something criticizing or something negative about him, will also come back to you, but that man will never come back to you. The choice is ours. What we would like to be a positive, supportive, giving full support to our leaders, leaders who's carrying each and every line of you with each other. Desire and need is a two different word, but basically what is the desire and what is the need that we have to justify ourselves. What exactly we think about it. And we have to be emotional towards the all. Not only our family, not only our kids or grandchildren. We have to be emotionally towards everyone who really need us. Believe me, my dear friends, I belongs to the Lions Club of Mumbai Soul, the one of the club where strictly the discipline and time management we follow like army. Not a single minute starting the late meeting or closing the late meeting. Even the president is closing the meeting after 10 minutes asking the permission from the house, still he has to pay the penalty. So this Lions Club Mumbai Soul, Agrawal Sahab, we, Maafi Chaunga, they are the very good master of ceremonies and dais, but in our Lions Club Mumbai Soul, or as a district governor, as myself, when I was the district governor, or the council chairperson, or I was the international director, we never used to go for the dais. We never used to put the dais. No fool, malai, gift, memento. No introductions. Auto mode. We come on the podium. One by one, we speak out. And we try to save that time and energy about those members who are coming on the time and wanted to go on the time with their family and kids. If they are not getting on the proper time, their food, or getting late, I am also talking the same. Governors are also talking the same. Party governors are also talking the same. Next time, maybe they will not be there with you. We are talking about 1.5 mission from years and years and years. From 83, I am a line member. And believe me, from 1983 onwards till now, rarely I have seen crossing 1.5 mission. If you are adding the 20,000 members, the 24,000 members are dropping. Retention is in our hand. Short, sweet, crispy meetings with a proper venue, menu, food, speakers makes a lot of difference. As I said, the small things makes a lot of difference in perfection. And believe me, my dear friend, the perfection is not a small thing, and that we have to decide. We have to start over there. We cannot change the nature of our mother, wife, children. If you are going to change it, you will get a diabetes and blood pressure. Better to change ourselves and see that you will be very happy, and even they will be very happy. Everything we have to start from us. We always not expect from others only, but if he is going to do this, then only I am going to do it. No. First band yourself. Be a grassroots lion. Be a humble. Be a kind. Be a polite. And once you are there in the Lions Club member, always you have to give, and give. That I was talking to 24 hours, my dear friends. Yes, we need 8 hours to have a proper sleep to energize ourselves. 8 hours we have to work for the business, to take care of our families and ourselves. 4 hours you have to give it to your family, wife. 2 hours you needed to get fresh yourself with your friends, when you will keep talking about your childhood things and school and college things. 1 hour is your personal, whatever you want to do it, don't tell us, but the 1 hour, this community, once you're committing and taking the oath and coming as an officer and becoming a member of the Lions Club of International, you have to be dedicated on your mobile or laptop or iPad or personal visit to this community of this Samaj of the Lions Club International. And honesty with ourselves. With you, honesty, I am there, or honest or no, it doesn't make any difference, but if I am not honest with myself, I will not be able to see in the mirror in the night or in the morning when I am going in front of mirror to see myself. Then we have to be honest. The 1 hour we have to give it this one. Swami Vivekananda has said rightly, स्वस्थ शरीर में ही स्वस्थ दिमाग का निवास होता है. If you are fit, your way of thinking will be a totally different, my dear friends. I am at 68 years now. I play 2 hours volleyball every day. In the morning 6:30 to 8:30. I am staying on 7th floor. I never use the lift, 99%. I never go by the stair. I go by staircase only. So if you are keeping yourself a little bit fit and playing, because that sportsmanship mind will, your thoughts, your way of thinking in all the angles of your business or your social life or your family life makes a difference a lot, my dear friends. We keep talking. Lions Club. Lions Club is now is a political and all. My dear, politics is everywhere. And it's a democratic way. At your house, at your office, in your friends. Forget even in your brothers. There are politics. We have to face it. We are not supposed to complain about it. Let's face it and do it and move ahead with a positive attitude. I'm sure no one can stop you for this. We had to understand the silence of those people who never speak in front of us. Maybe whatever the reasons are. But being a leader, we had to understand with their body language, what they are trying to convey to us. You are standing, you are talking, your the way you are wearing the cloth, your clarity, your intention, your contents, what exactly you are talking, people, they understand from there itself also. So once the people are coming and talking to you, as a leader, you're listening to them and trying to sort out, but the people who are not talking to you also, please understand their language and try to support them for this. Some people, as a leaders, need your directions. As a club president, as a RCZC, as a cabinet members, as a vice governor, as a governor, or as a past international directors, they are looking for some of the good direction from us and sincerity to update ourselves. Let's go on the lionsclub.org. Keep updating yourself every day. No need to call governor or council chairman or ID or PID. You can educate yourself on your own mobile nowadays. If someone asks you any questions, you must give the reply in such a way where they understand that my leader is fully updated and he has assisted me properly. That kind of the direction I'm talking about. Be a teacher till you die. Be a student till you die. Being a teacher, whatever you are gaining from this conference or from anywhere, please try to share it. In a childhood, our teacher used to tell us कि आप जितना भी शेयर करेंगे, सामने वाला उतना एजुकेट होगा और आप भी और ज़्यादा सीखेंगे. And being a student, never say that I am a perfect man. I am always a student till I am dying. Keep learning from anywhere, even your peon or your driver. And believe me, my dear friends, I have 2 daughters. One daughter got married when I was getting elected as an international director. And near about more than 5,000 people must be attended that marriage, including all the Bollywood and Telugu stars. But when second daughter got married, she has kept the condition with me, Papa, that I have a small request to you if you can hear me. I said, yes. She said, I would like to call on 100 people as per my choice. Said, okay. Unfortunately or fortunately, it was a COVID. So as it is, we cannot call a lot of people. She kept the one small meeting in our building's auditorium, and 100 people was there. And she said, some of the things I would like to cook myself. And it was a surprise for us when we all family members went over there. I saw that my drivers, my staff, my watchmen, my sabjiwala, my gadiwala, all those kind of the people, she fed them. And she said, they are my guests over there. I was surprised that she's my daughter and she's trying to teach me and I learn. I said, yes, they are the people who are making our reputation, because हम लोग यहाँ पर हैं, our drivers are standing outside, our protocol officers are standing outside, they'll be keep talking, यार हमारे साथ तो बहुत rude है, our sir is बहुत, talking very rudely, he is not polite. And other will say, no, he is very polite, he is very good and all. So through drivers, they create your image in this community. My dear friends, please take care of them. And especially those who are not able to speak out. I'm talking about I'm an animal lover. For those animal lovers, please take care of them also. And 2 small things I would like to convey to you. One is water bottle is there on your table. When you are getting up, if it is a half bottle, please carry with you. Don't waste. You know that what is the value of this water. And second, when you are going for the breakfast, lunch or dinner, take it 2, 3, 4 times. But take it whatever you can finish it. Don't put it in the dustbin. This is a 2 small thing also I just would like to request you. And we, Lions Club Mumbai Soul, every year celebrating Lions Gold Award. We try to recognize from Bollywood, Tollywood, OTT, journal category, and we try to adopt all those veer naris who sacrifice their husbands on the border. We give them 1 lakh rupees, their education, the marriage in the family, and we try to call them here and we give them. And that's from Amitabh Bachchan, or is a Priyanka Chopra, or is a Katrina Kaif, or anybody. I think so Agarwal sir has attended maybe the one of the award function. So this kind of the family we adopt. And this is the Image building. I was surprised when AP called me up from Delhi. He said, Raju bhai, I'm surprised to see the Image building of your Shraddha Kapoor has put the 100 hoardings at the Delhi airport, is putting with the Lions Gold Award with the Lions Trophy. Image building, creating fellowship, and through that you are to doing your services. That's one of the best things what you can do it. And my dear friends, I'm a very small person from the very small village. Came to Mumbai in a very different way. I struggled a lot in my life, sleeping on the railway stations and eating at the gurudwaras and masjid. And today, if I'm here on this platform as a chief guest in front of you, this 100% credit I give to the Lions Club International, because when I became a member of this Lions Club International, even I used to sit on the last row from the very poor family, but when I never used to get the food and get a one or two days hungry. And one day my person has took me to the 5-star hotel to have a Lions Club food. And honestly, Neena ji, I become a Lion member because of that food. कि 5-star होटल में ऐसा खाना मिलता है, भूख क्या होती है, that I came to know. And उस लालच के अंदर I become a Lion member, and from there to hear how I reached, how I developed my networking, how I developed my contacts, how I developed my business. I left my police job, I started my own business. I never thought of it. The person who never used to travel by the bus or train without ticket, today I have a best car in my life and I'm staying next to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan's house. This is the banner what I'm talking about, where I'm standing. So be sincere about this. You will really enjoy a lot. My dear friends, today is Women's Day. Behalf of all you beautiful ladies sitting over here, I would like to recognize the one woman representing you all as our second VDG, Neena ji. So you know who are these ladies are? The best MBA. Before marriage, पराया धन. After marriage, पराया घर से आई हैं. Get up early morning, taking care of the husband, kids, food, home, business, ourselves, yourself. Even she'll be ill, she will never take a rest. She will still give the food to the husband and kids. If we will get a little bit unwell and all these things, we would like to take a rest from the home and all. But they will never. If our government of India give them one more permission, that even after the marriage, if they can take their parents with them, I think so not a single old age home will be there in India. They are the ladies and dedicated to the ladies. I would like to request Gajendra Singh ji, my mentor, my person, and Agrawal sahab, whatever, Gajendra Singh ji, these 4 international president pin who are deserving it 4%, you have to announce and give them a place to them. And thank you very much, my dear friends, for giving this opportunity. Exactly 15 minutes. Thank you so much for it. Thank you.
Be a teacher till you die. Be a student till you die. हमें हमारे चीफ गेस्ट ने सिखाया, जितना आप सिखाएंगे उतना ही आप सीखेंगे. Thank you so much, sir, for your words, for enlightening us with your kind and informative words. It has so much teachings that we needed. Sure, we will implement these teachings, these guidelines in future, and surely we can retain our Lion members in our district. Thank you so much. A big round of applause for our chief guest, past international director. Thank you so much. Thank you.
As tomorrow I will not be there and your governor will be elected, so this I would like to dedicate to him.
May I now request Lion Dr. Littoy to please carry a small token of love a memento to District Governor and hand it over to the Chief Guest. Sir Sagul Kangzei, the Manipuri polo is one of the world's oldest sports, with some historians claiming it is the first played in the state of Manipur, India. It's a traditional native form of polo and the ancestor of the modern game. Thank you, sir.